Okay, hello everyone. Today on the way to visit Starfish Beach, Rạch Vẹm fishing village. My favorite pepper farm, vườn tiêu Phương Vi Pepper Farm. The owner of the pepper farm, they open for free to visit, and you can come to get some really local pepper, authentic Phu Quoc Pepper. And also you can take a look the garden inside. This is Mr. Cương, the owner of Phương Vi Pepper Farm. Hello anh.
Yeah,
Xin chào. He's a local farmer in Phu Quoc. Green pepper, you rise up under the sun, they become black pepper. And then 8.5 months or 9 months, they green turn to red color. And the red pepper, you're going to rise up under the sun, they become red pepper. And this is one, my highlight in my kitchen, my favorites in general. Do you know white pepper? White pepper is the red one. The red one, you guys take out the skin. This is the white pepper inside. Today I'm lucky enough to visit the pepper farm. Even in the early season, they still have some pepper already starting red. When you come to Troc kitchen and cooking class, one of our dishes we use fresh pepper inside for you to know the flavor of fresh pepper, green peppercorn. So remember, Phu Quoc, the harvesting season for pepper is roughly from December to February. This one when the most beautiful season, the Phu Quoc local farmers, they are the time for them to harvesting the pepper. Yeah, very nice.